In this Numbers Quick Click, I'm going to show you how to use some of the drawing tools to enhance your presentation of information. So I'm going to tap on the Numbers app now, and I've already got up for us a very simple budget, which is one of the templates that you can use. So to add the drawing tools to your page, we're going to tap on the plus. Now I'm in the Media tab already, and I'm going to look down to the bottom of the list to find where it says Drawing. So I'm going to tap on that. Now most of these drawing tools will probably look very familiar. The only one that maybe stands out as something you haven't seen before is this first one here. Now I'm not using my Apple Pencil today, but if I was, I could use this tool to turn some of my handwritten notes into formatted typed text. So some things that you might do in Numbers to enhance your information, you might use a pen tool, perhaps to do some arrows, some, maybe important signs, things like that. Pencil, crayon, you'd probably most likely use in the same way. This fill tool here, perhaps you are wanting to really emphasize something. So perhaps I could, let's delete this arrow. So I just selected that lasso tool, and now I'm going to delete it. And perhaps this time I'm going to create a more three-dimensional type arrow. Using the fill tool, I can select a color, tap inside my drawn object, and that could fill it in. Using the three dots on the side, I can minimize or check my pencil settings as well. And that's how you use some of the drawing tools in Numbers.